Hello everyone, welcome back to our process sublimation channel. I am your friend Vincent, as always hosting, and privileged guest by my friend today, Fiona.
Hi, I'm Fiona.
Today we are going to throw you into a world brimming with colorful pillowcases. Look at those spectacular cases sitting idly on the couch. I think there is always a trendy and fashionable items that belongs to you. So let's get started.
Have you ever thought about holding a memory in your arms?
That's right, it's possible now. This pillowcase can turn your beautiful memory into the warm reality. Our pillowcases are available in a variety of styles as long as the material, including linen, peach skin velvet, satin, polyester, velvet fabric, laser dotted and tulle fabric, and even laser sequin fabric with an excellent textile feel.
Available in square and heart shapes. Our coating ensures color reproduction and making the photos look lifelike.
Our pillowcases fit in any space, from home decoration to a thoughtful, delicate gift. They bring warmth whenever you go.
So, how is dye sublimation printing achieved for such an exquisite pillowcase?
Next, we will provide a detailed explanation of the operating procedure. First, the design drawing needs to be created and printed out. Then cut the drawing and use high-temperature tape to secure the pattern in place.
Next, you need to adjust the temperature and time of the flat iron machine. Set the temperature to 180 degrees. The time setting is 60 seconds. And place the printed canvas pillow on the flat ironing machine to the sublimation process.
Take a look at our finished product. The patterns are so vividly perfect and literally replicate the design itself. Moreover, it will never ever fade or peel off whenever how you apply to it of this product.
As a leading manufacturer in the industry, we produce thousands of products accurately every day.
Whether it's a special size or a branded design, we can meet your business needs.
We always have large inventory of products in stock to ensure your orders are shipped quickly.
And we have all the necessary qualifications. Our product meets strict global safety and quality standards. The company has obtained the international authority certificates such as ISO 9001, CE, BSCI, and SGS, thereby ensuring the long-term stability of this product. So that's all of the video today. I hope you find out this video is so interesting and entertaining. Moreover, it is so constructed to your sublimation business.
Yeah, so remember to subscribe. Bye bye.